Stop. Before you spend another weekend watching tutorials, hiring a developer, or convincing yourself you'll figure out Wix later, I need 60 seconds of your time. Because I just built a fully functional SEO-optimized online store with products, email campaigns, and a live domain in under 1 hour. No code, no designer, no agency. The tool is called SITE123. They claim to be, by far, the easiest free website builder. And I went through every single setting, every AI feature, every hidden menu to find out if that's actually true or just clever marketing copy. Here's what shocked me. 45% of small business owners in India still don't have a website. Not because they don't want one, because every builder they've tried made them feel like they needed a computer science degree first. Global e-commerce is hitting $8 trillion by 2027. That window is closing. Today, we find out if SITE123 is the shortcut serious sellers have been waiting for, or just another pretty interface hiding a painful backend. All right, let's go. Hit the big Start Here button on the homepage. Now here's the first thing SITE123 does differently. It doesn't ask you to design, it asks you to identify. That's a subtle but important UX decision, because most people freeze at a blank canvas. SITE123 skips that entirely. Step 1. Choose your type. We're building an online store, so click Online Store. Step 2. Name your business. We're building Sneak, a modern streetwear and essential lifestyle brand. Think clean silhouettes, minimal branding, made for Gen Z and young millennials who buy culture, not just clothes. I want you to keep Sneak in mind throughout this video, because everything we do from here, the products, the email campaigns, the blog content, is building toward a real brand, not just a demo. Step 3. Create your account and hit Start My Website. While this builds, notice what's happening in the background. Unlike Wix or Squarespace, where you start with a blank template you have to break. Before you can make it yours, SITE123's AI is generating a pre-built structure, based specifically on your store category. You're not starting from zero, you're starting from a foundation. That's the difference between a building site and a shortcut. Welcome to the control center, and honestly, this dashboard is beautiful for exactly one reason. It doesn't try to show you everything at once. Left sidebar, dashboard, store, pages, design, settings. That's it. Clean, intentional. A tool that respects your attention span. Before we dive in, here's a quick map of what we're building for Sneak today. Products and categories first, then marketing, then content, then we go live. Let's move. Structure before products, always. A study by the Baymard Institute found that a clear category hierarchy can increase conversions by up to 35%, because customers who can't navigate don't buy. For Sneak, we're adding 2 categories, oversized and sneakers. 2 clicks, done. SITE123 makes this a 10-second job. This is where it gets interesting. Let's add Sneak's flagship, a black oversized t-shirt. Type the product name. Now, look at this button next to the description field. It says TextAI. For anyone who has ever stared at a blank product description box for 20 minutes, this feature alone is worth the tool. It generates a professional, sales-focused description in seconds. Now let's upload the product image. Scroll to price, we're setting it at $4.99. But here's a move every marketer knows. Toggle on sale to yes and set the sale price to $399. SITE123 automatically renders the strike-through price. That single visual cue, a crossed-out original price, can increase click-through rate by over 20%. It's not manipulation, it's just smart retail psychology. You can track stock manually or simply toggle in stock, and towers, you're chopped D out of stock. If you're running a high-volume operation, you might find this basic. We'll talk about that in the verdict. For Sneak, we'll add size options, S, M, L, XL, under the Options tab. No need to create separate products for each size. SITE123 handles variants cleanly. A store without marketing isn't a business. It's a folder on the internet. Let's talk about how SITE123 actually helps you sell, not just look good. For Sneak's launch week, we're creating a code, SNEAK20. 20% off expires in 7 days. That last setting, the expiry and usage cap, is the important one. Scarcity and urgency are key. When a customer knows 200 people can use this code and the clock is running, they don't wait until tomorrow. They buy now. SITE123 builds this into the coupon tool natively. Most builders make you install a plugin. Most website builders force you to integrate MailChimp, Klaviyo, or some third-party tool, then pay a separate subscription. SITE123 has it built in. For Sneak, we'd set up a launch email, pick a template, and edit the image directly. Acquiring a new customer costs 5x more than retaining one. This tool is a competitive advantage. Content is the most sustainable way to drive free traffic, but writing takes time. Click Generated Content. Let's tell the AI to write about streetwear trends for 2025. In under 30 seconds, a 2,500-word post. It's not perfect, but the skeleton is there. For a one-person brand, this is how you compete with teams that have full-time writers. Let's keep this fast. Design is where people lose hours. SITE123's structure is a feature. Pick a color scheme, black, white, and one punchy accent. The whole site updates instantly. No misalignment, no broken mobile layout. SITE123 gives you a live SEO score and essential 301 redirects. It's everything you need to get indexed. All right, here's the honest scorecard, and I'm giving you the weaknesses first, because that's how you actually make a decision. What SITE123 doesn't do well: advanced inventory management. If you're running hundreds of SKUs with batch updates, warehouse integrations, or complex variant pricing, this isn't your tool. Shopify or WooCommerce handles that better. Deep design customization. If you want pixel-perfect control over every CSS property, go to Webflow. SITE123's structure-based approach trades creative freedom for consistency. App ecosystem. There's no marketplace of third-party plugins. What you see is what you get. Sometimes that's liberating. Sometimes it's a ceiling. What SITE123 does exceptionally well: speed to launch. We went from zero to a live published store in under 55 minutes. That's the promise. It's real. AI tools that actually save time. TextAI and the blog generator aren't gimmicks. For a solo founder or small team, cutting copywriting time by 70% is a genuine business advantage. No break design. Because SITE123 is structure-based, you literally cannot break the mobile layout. Everything is responsive by default, on every device, every time. For a non-technical founder, that peace of mind is invaluable. All in one dashboard: store, blog, email, SEO, coupons. One login, one subscription, no integrations. For early-stage brands, this simplicity is a superpower. The final number that matters. A website that takes 10 seconds to load has a bounce rate 123% higher than one that loads in 1 second. SITE123's lightweight architecture means your store is fast by default, and fast sites rank higher, convert better, and retain more. Here's the deal: if you have a product idea, a brand name, or even just a hunch that you should be selling something online, don't wait. The link in the description gives you access to SITE123's free plan right now, plus a special offer for SaaStrac viewers on their annual plan, which includes a free custom domain for the first year. Don't use the free plan forever. Use it to validate your idea this week. If you get your first 10 orders, upgrade and remove the branding. That's the 1-hour launch challenge. Start today. If this breakdown helped you, hit like. It directly helps more founders find this channel. Subscribe for more no-fluff SaaS reviews every week. And if you've already tried SITE123, drop your experience in the comments.